megalayapost.news.
सौंपे गए कर्तव्यों का पालन करूंगा।
Menteri Rambak Kejala Assam, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, mentakasngi ulapoi bani simenta, haka passing out parade, ban pungkup burom, yaki nyopongot ki pulit officer, ki bala pendep, yaka training, kabapura, namenta kekerdan, Deputy Superintendent of Police, haka program jongka 54 Basic Course Training, malap pelong hapo ke North East Police Academy, lanin Nepa, haumsau. Haka negasngi lai don langru Director ke Nepa, Danesh Rana, IPS, ki he officer jongka Jela Meghalaya bat Assam, ki bahi ngasem jongki pulit officer ki bala pendep ke training nalor kiwi-kiwi. Na ki nyopungut ki pulit officer ki bala pendep ke training ki kentup ya handrupo arngot na Assam bat prangot na Mizoram. Haka baki don san pungut ki senrang bat arpungut ki kintai. Abakaran haka negasngi Menteri Rambak Kejala Assam, Himanta Biswa Sarma, ulai ke jingerok bakrau yaki bor ke Nepa. Kibana kapor kila laban ai yaki jingikai ki bakongsan, namta ki he pulit officer na keleng ki jela jongkari India. Habakaran ban ai mesim ki pulit officer ki bala pendep ke training uloong bakum ki he pulit ki ban sasim tino ela ke kamram haki jela baper bakin seyok ban. Ki dewan podon kamhok yaki lat jingikai baki layo kum ki pulit officer makit kli ela ke kamram namta ban pej yaka songsuk songskan ban yoru ya kata ka jingsania na upai ba haba ki pendep ela ki kamram.
Delighted to be present at this passing out parade of 70 probationer Deputy Superintendent of Police from Assam and Mizoram at this prestigious academy today. This ceremony marks a significant milestone in the life of all the officers training. This is a moment of pride and achievement that you will cherish forever. I am confident that the rigorous training you have undergone has equipped you with the professional competence, physical resilience, and mental strength to excel in the face of all challenges. I extend my heartfelt congratulations to each one of you. I also commend those who have earned medals and trophies today. This is a well-deserved recognition of your dedication and excellence in the various aspects of the training. I also take this opportunity to congratulate the proud parents and the family members who are present here to witness this momentous occasion. I extend my sincere gratitude to Sri Danesh Rana, the Director of Northeast Police Academy, the indoor and outdoor faculty members, and the entire NEPA fraternity for their unwavering dedication in shaping the future of the policing. The training imparted to the 62 DSP probationers from Assam and 8 from Mizoram will play a crucial role not only in enhancing their physical and mental resilience, but also in their overall development as competent police officers. The rigorous outdoor training, drills, and discipline instilled in the officer trainees will undoubtedly serve them well. The benefit will be both individual and in the police administration and smart governance. Moreover, the curriculum covering law, forensics, and various other subjects has equipped them well with the knowledge needed to excel in their duties.
Meghalaya Post.news.